Greetings, Dr. Helen here. Looky, looky, looky at my cucumber plants. The banana water truly does work. More flowers on my eggplant. I have a couple of eggplants coming. One here I'm letting get a little bigger. I had one of my jalapenos that were good. Look at these green peppers. I'm just letting them get a little bit bigger. The herbs are all doing well, as you can see. I trimmed my basil and thyme. I'm drying some. Here's my okra. I guess I need to pick these and use them. It's only a few. So I'll make fried okra. Look at these bees. Thank you for coming to pollinate my cucumber plant. I really learned to appreciate the bees because without them, my cucumbers were not growing. I had to hand pollinate them.